Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. It's Sony a7 Wednesday. Today I have a quick one for you. Do you need to know how to format your memory card in your Sony a7 III? A lot of people just don't know how to do it. And it's right there in the settings. And I have my Sony a7 III right here, which you can see the screen being shared. So let me remove my face and we'll get into the settings. All right. So now that you're in the settings, what you need to do is go to the the fifth tab on the right that looks like a suitcase. Then go to the fifth page, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then scroll down to Format. Click the center button. And now you notice that the Sony a7 III has two memory card slots, slot 1 and slot 2. I know I want to remove the videos that I have stored on here. And I know my videos are recorded to slot 1. So I'll just exit out real fast so you could see. As you can see, I have a few videos still on this memory card. So I want to delete them. Now I'll go back to menu and back to page 5 to format. Slot 1 is where my videos are. So I'll hit the circle button again. Hit enter. And now just give it a couple of seconds. Delete, 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 delete. All right. Now we could go back to the memory card. And now you see there's no images on my card because I just formatted it. And that's the easy way to format your memory card in the Sony a7 III camera. So you take 1,000 pictures, you got them all on your computer, and you want to clear up space on your memory card because maybe you don't have backups. That's it. Just delete memory card slot 1 and 2. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace, guys.